Imagine this. You're at a family gathering, happily stuffing your face with gulab jamun, when some auntie turns to you and asks, "So, beta, what do you do?" Suddenly, it feels like you've been thrown into a career counseling session you didn't sign up for. Because how do you explain that your interests don't fit into one neat box? That you like exploring different worlds, from sports to science, art to technology? Now, this question isn't just awkward, it's everywhere. From teachers to friends to family, it keeps coming up. Like the world is constantly yelling at us to pick a lane, specialize, be a master. And if you're curious about a million different things, oh no, suddenly you become undecided, unfocused, or my personal favorite, a jack of all trades, master of none. And if you're someone like me, you've heard that more than once. Because let me tell you, I've always been that said jack. One minute I'm chasing a ball with my teammates, and the next I'm wondering why time bends around a black hole. Suddenly, I'm on a stage with a mic, not sure which of my labels to wear. Now, people have always told me just choose one thing. But every time I tried, it felt like cutting off a piece of myself. Like shrinking something big and messy and wonderful just so it's easier for others to understand. And I've had times when someone asks me, "So, Haya, what do you do?" And I reply with, "Honestly, a bit of everything." And they look at me like I've just said I'm Batman, which for legal reasons I'm not. Don't come at me. But here's the thing, what if being into many different things isn't a flaw like we're all forced to believe, but instead a feature? Now, you've all probably heard the phrase, "Jack of all trades, master of none." It's a classic, right? Now, with a quick show of hands, tell me how many of you know the way it actually ends? That's not so many. So, let me tell you the full phrase: Jack of all trades, master of none, but oftentimes better than master of one. That's not just a twist, it's a plot correction. Because what sounds like a warning was always meant to be a compliment. Because while the world celebrates the specialist, the surgeon, the coder, the chess grandmaster, let's not overlook the generalist, the one who blends ideas, connects dots, adapts, and thrives in the in betweens just because they aren't stuck under one label. Think of LeBron James, one of the greatest athletes ever, sure, but also a producer, an education advocate, a philanthropist. He's showing the world that even greatness can have range. Or Emma Watson, not just Hermione Granger, she's a UN ambassador, a champion of sustainable fashion. She is proof that you can speak the truth in more than one voice and still be heard. Now, these aren't people who couldn't decide, but they're the ones who dared to ask, "Why should I be one thing when I simply can be more?" But again, I won't pretend it's all sunshine and rainbows. Because sometimes it feels like everyone's chasing something clear, a path, a dream, a job title. And I'm just here, curious about everything, certain about nothing. It's like standing at a crossroad with no signpost, just silence. And in that silence, doubt creeps in. Why don't I know it? Will I ever know it? But despite that, I'm learning that just because my path looks different doesn't mean I'm not on one. And the truth is, I like being all over the place. From sprinting down fields to scribbling verses, it might look scattered to some, but to me, it all connects. Because that's what generalists do. We don't just dabble, we link ideas. We solve problems others can't often see. We speak multiple languages creative, technical, emotional, and in a world changing faster than ever, that's a superpower. So, the next time you feel the pressure to narrow yourself down, don't. Because chances are the person sitting next to you, they're building their own multi lane highway too. The clearest proof I have, you may ask? You're looking at her. Because just last year, I was one of you among the audience of this very stage. And today, here I am presenting. So, it's about time we stop trying to fit ourselves into one lane or apologizing for being a jack of all trades. Because the world doesn't need more people who fit in boxes. It needs people who know how to connect them. It needs people like you and me. Thank you.